Discuss about a very important and very interesting function in SAP. So you can see there are different colors you can use in the SAP system. Okay, so it's very simple, and you can choose the color as per your wish, and you can apply that on your system, on your SAP system. So once you log in with your user ID and password, so you'll end up to the SAP Easy Access screen, right? So anyways, on this SAP Easy Access screen, you would have always would have these tools options. You can see this toolbar, right? So in this toolbar, you see this last option, which is customize local layout. So you simply click on this customize local layout, and here when you go to options, so here in these options you can see the visual design folder. So you simply click on this visual design folder, and in the fifth option, which is says color settings, so you can see there are five options available, which is which is gold, SAP gold, SAP green, SAP purple, SAP red, and SAP signature default. So if you choose SAP signature default, so by default the SAP would give you this blue color layout, this blue picture, wherein you can perform your daily transactions. And it's just that it will not impact any of your transactions or any reporting or any other postings. It's just that the layout, the screen color would change. So with this option you can change your screen color. So this is basically with this help you can change the layout, the change you can change the color of your screen, the SAP screen, the screen on which you are working. So if let's suppose if I select SAP signature default, so by default I would be having this blue color image layout reflecting on my screen. If I select SAP red, so you can see here the red color is reflecting. So my SAP screen would reflect as red. If I select purple, so it would reflect as a purple color, right? This complete screen would look in a purple. And if I select the green, so if I love green color, if I love with the nature, at times it happens, I love green color. I use it on my screen. I want to use it on my screen, so I can simply select this layout and I can apply on my screen. So that would reflect on my screen. So always when I would log in and I would land up to the SAP any of the screen, so it will reflect in green color always. Okay, so if I want to see my screen in gold, so I can see in gold as well. So this is very good option, features of the SAP layout, I must say. So if anybody wants to change the color, the layout, they can use this option. This is in this option you can change the layout, the color of your SAP screen. So I have opened a few sessions, and I would show you how does it look like once you select this SAP gold or green or purple or red or SAP signature default. You simply can select any of these options. You can simply click on apply, and then you can click on OK. And so once it is applied and it's okay, so the apply would change on your screen. So it's very simple. Let me just tell you one more time. So you simply log in with your user ID and password. You will land up to the SAP Easy Access screen. On this toolbar, you simply go to the last option, like a monitor kind of thing is here. So you simply click on the customize local layout, and you can see that you have got a couple of options. So simply click on options, and you will end up to this page. So here on the fifth option in this folder, which is visual design, the color settings, simply click on that and you would see these five options available. So you can choose any of the colors as per your requirement, and that would reflect on this SAP screen. Okay, so now let me just show you a few sessions which I have opened, and where the changes has been applied. So let me take you through those sessions. Okay, so you can see this is obviously the SAP signature default is the blue one. Next I have the green. This you can see the page, it says the complete uh, green layout is reflecting. So if I go to any of the transaction, it will reflect in green color only. See, it's a complete green, right? So it's reflecting me in green color, right? Looks good. And let's suppose if I want to go to the next, which is gold. So here also you can see the color is gold. So in this way you can change the layout of your screen. It would reflect as gold. Next, I have this purple. So this purple color, if you want, if you like this purple color, you can simply change the color of your screen, and you can have this purple color on the screen. So this is also very cool. If somebody wants to apply this color on the screen, so they can simply go to this change layout, and if they can uh, change the color of the layout, and it will turn up to purple or red or gold or green as per your requirement. Next, I have opened one more session, which is for red. So here red, this complete screen has become red now. So you can see if I click on any of these tabs, so it will only reflect me in the red color, right? So blue is basically the standard SAP default layout which is there. And if you want to change any of uh, the color, so if you want to choose, you can simply go to the option and you can choose the color as per your convenience. So that was a basic overview about the screen and the color settings of this SAP ECX screen. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe to